What is a UPS access point and how does it work?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to unravel what a UPS access point is and understand how it operates. If you frequently use courier services, this is a piece of information you'll find incredibly useful.
What is a UPS access point?
A UPS access point is a location, often a retail store or a local business, that partners with UPS to accept or deliver packages on behalf of customers. These access points are strategically located in areas with high footfall and long operation hours, providing a convenient option for customers who may not be available at home to receive their packages.
How does a UPS access point work?
The working mechanism of a UPS access point is pretty straightforward. Here's how it functions. 1. Drop-off. You can drop off pre-labeled and pre-packaged shipments at an access point. The staff there will handle the rest. This is handy if you're sending a parcel and don't want to wait for a pickup, or if you live in an area where pickup service isn't readily available. 2. Pickup. If you're not going to be home to accept a delivery, you can have your packages delivered to a UPS access point. You'll receive a notification when your package arrives, and you can pick it up at a time that suits you. Remember, you'll need a government-issued ID to collect your parcel. 3. Missed delivery. If UPS attempted a delivery while you were away, they might leave your package at a nearby access point. You will be notified of the same, and you can retrieve your package using the information provided by UPS.
Why use a UPS access point?
Using a UPS access point offers numerous benefits. Some of these include convenience. With their long operating hours, these locations allow you to pick up or drop off packages at your convenience, rather than working around a delivery driver's schedule. Security. Packages are less likely to be stolen or damaged if they're not left unattended at your doorstep. Flexibility. By choosing to pick up at an access point, you can ensure that you receive your package when it's best for you. That's a wrap on what a UPS access point is and how it functions. The next time you're sending or receiving a package through UPS, consider using an access point for a more convenient and flexible delivery experience. As always, remember to bring your ID if you're picking up a package. Hope this video was insightful and helpful to you. Stay tuned for more.